on stage. They are Gillette Venus brand ambassador Chitrangada Singh and the very, very gorgeous Soha Ali Khan. Chitrangada, you have been endorsing Gillette Venus. So I'd like to ask you, what are your views on the brand and what are your views on shaving?
This has been my second year with Gillette Venus, and I think Gillette is a brand which itself is so big, and I think the kind of credibility it already has in the market, there's very little that you really need to do as far as explaining the product is concerned. The quality of the product is really good. I have used Gillette for the longest time. I remember, in fact, I was sharing the story somewhere else on a Gillette event that when we were in hostel, that was the first time. I think that's like when you have so many of these last minute moments when you have to be looking, absolutely finished and clean and perfect. So yeah, that's the time that I was using shaver a lot, and that's the time we started using Gillette, and we didn't get them here in India at that time. So yeah, so I think the experience has just always improved because the product has improved so much, and now with the gel that comes with it, it's just become even easier, and the whole experience has become, I think, almost customized, for women. So whether the way it smells or the way your skin feels after the shaving is just wonderful. So, and it's a really personal sort of experience. So it's really nice, and you can do it when you want. So I am pretty inseparable with the lady shaver. Yes.
What are your opinions on shaving really as a method of hair removal? Do you think it's safe? There's no problems, no side effect?
Yeah, I think a lot of people think, because we've all used our father's razor or our brother's razor sometime or the other, and we keep getting these nicks and cuts, so we think it's not safe. But if you are using, I think, a Venus Gillette shaver, which is meant specially for the women, you will realize that it's really easy to use and it's very, very safe to use. Whether it is the blade or the strip, the aloe vera strip, which moisturizes the skin, or the way the handle grips, because it's anti-slip, so you can take it in the shower with you. So it's really easy to use, and it's very safe. It's quick. I think that's the best part. Yeah.
Soha, warmest welcome to you once again.
Thank you.
You have spent many, many years abroad. So could you tell us, how did you get introduced to the system of shaving, and were you comfortable in the first place?
Well, actually, that's where I first shaved, was when I was in England. I did spend 4 or 5 years there as a student, and before I went there were other forms of hair removal that I used. When I went there, I realized, of course, on a student budget, it's quite expensive to have to go to the parlor. Also, accessibility to a beauty parlor wasn't as much as perhaps it is today for me. I would see what my other female friends were doing, and they would all shave. And initially I was very reluctant because a lot of people had told me lots of things about what shaving does to you, which I now realize are myths. But I thought that your hair will grow back in a more crude way, that your skin might darken, that you can cut yourself quite easily. So I was a little nervous because I wanted my skin to be smooth at the end of the day. And that's when I started shaving, really out of necessity. And ever since then, I've been sounds strange, but quite a regular shaver for my hands and legs. And you have to really, because not only in your social life, I mean, you all like to travel, we like to go to the beach, but even at work, it's very important. Whatever your hair care regimen is, I think it's necessary to have a lady shaver on you, because at some point or the other you will need it. I just used mine backstage before coming on.
Well, I have to say, I didn't get much time to really experience it so well, but because I've done this before, I think what the gel does is really prepares the skin, it softens the skin, and if you have like a very dry skin, sometimes when you shave over a very dry skin, then of course your skin gets damaged and it gets very dry. So I think what the gel does is it makes the skin really moisturized, and it leaves it very moisturized even after the shave. So it's not like you really need to run and put in a lot of moisturizer or anything like that. So yeah, so I think the experience is always been good.
So I'm going to ask you, what has been your experience with the gel as well as the razor?
I think, as Chitrangada said, it's very smooth. I like the gel. I like the way that it smells. I think it's got some good things in it, like some aloe vera and vitamin E, which are all very good for your skin. So it's conditioning. And I really like the feel of the razor, because it's not like a man's razor. It's a little prettier. It's got a nice silhouette, and it's got a good grip, as Chitrangada said earlier. I was a little intimidated by all the cameras, of course, because That's not how we normally do it, but it was a
not
very
how you-
pleasurable experience. Actually, उन्होंने मुझे आज बुलाया है as an influencer, लोगों को बताने के लिए कि क्योंकि मैं इस्तेमाल कर चुकी हूँ जिलेट वीनस को, कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा है, और आज वो एक सैटिन केयर जेल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं जिसे मैंने इस्तेमाल किया स्टेज पर, और मैं सबसे मतलब कह सकती हूँ कि बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है। मैं इसे पहले भी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ, एंड टू टेल पीपल कि इट्स ओके टू शेव। बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ खासकर डरते हैं शेविंग से, उन्हें बताया गया है कि आपका स्किन काला पड़ जाएगा, बाल बहुत रफ हो जाते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। और मैं तो मानती हूँ कि हर लड़की को एक रेज़र रखना चाहिए उनके पास, और ये एक लड़कियों के लिए खासकर बना है। सो इट्स डेलिकेट, इट्स स्मूथ, उसमें बहुत सारे कंडीशनिंग एलिमेंट्स भी हैं जो आपका स्किन को सॉफ्ट रखें। खूबसूरत दिखने में नंबर वन चीज़ तो हम सब चाहते हैं कि क्योंकि स्किन से सब शुरू होता है, फिर उसके बाद आप सब मेकअप वेकअप डालते हैं, लेकिन स्किन को स्मूथ और सपल और मॉइस्चराइज्ड कैसे रखें। और हम सब चाहते हैं कि ऑब्वियसली बाल भी नहीं होने चाहिए ऑन आवर हैंड्स एंड आवर लेग्स, तो वो कैसे करें। आई थिंक दैट द बेस्ट वे, बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं ऑब्वियसली फॉर हेयर रिमूवल, लेकिन मेरा मानना है कि हर लड़की के पास, जैसे मैंने कहा, एक रेज़र अगर हो तो वो कन्वीनियंस है कि आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं, अपने आप खुद कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि आपको अपॉइंटमेंट लेने की ज़रूरत हो, आप रात को कर सकते हैं, सुबह कर सकते हैं, जब भी आप चाहे। सो दैट्स इन योर हैंड्स।